Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll walk you through how to make your videos faster in Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Videos from the menu. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Landscape Video option. Next, upload your own video or choose one from the library. Go to the Elements tab and select Videos. Since you don't have a video yet, you can browse and pick a sample. Select any video file you want to upload by clicking on it, then choose one at random for this demonstration. First, locate the video you want to use. Click the play button to preview the content and ensure it's correct. After verifying the video, look for the Post or Upload option. Click this button to publish your video. Confirm the upload to finish posting and make your video available. To speed up the video, click the Speed button. Select the option to skip by 2. This sets the video playback to 2 times faster. You'll notice the video now plays at double speed, letting you get through the content more quickly and efficiently. Adjust as needed. To download your design twice as fast, click the Share button, then select Download. If you have a premium account, you can improve the quality by adjusting the settings before downloading. Click Download to save your file. Next, try uploading the downloaded design back into your project. This allows you to compare quality and check if improvements were applied successfully. Return the speed value by adding the keyword, return before the variable, then save the file to apply changes. Wait for your video to finish downloading. The progress bar will show the download status. Once complete, you can access and use your downloaded video file immediately. Type 2x in the search bar to find the asset. Click and drag the 2x video from the top of the search results, then drop it onto your page to add it to your project. Both visuals are now added to our slides. The first slide features the 2x speed video, while the second slide plays at normal speed. Click the play button on each slide to compare playback. You can see the difference. This is the video at 2x speed, and this is at normal speed. You can easily increase the visual playback speed after downloading the file. That's how you adjust the video speed setting. To increase video speed in Canva, select your video, click the speed icon, and choose your desired speed. Click the Share button to save or share your updated video. Before starting the video, make sure to download this file by clicking the Download button now. Now you can easily speed up videos in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more quick creative tips.